Hello, Terry. Hi, Terry. Can you hear me?
Can you hear me okay?
I can hear you okay. Can you hear me okay?
I can. Thank you.
Hi, cutie. If you're
Yay.
driving, don't worry. If you need to reschedule for 15 minutes from now, I can also do it while you're in the car. Whatever's easiest for you. Don't you worry.
Thank you. I've got a 9:30 hair appointment, and so I got here 15 minutes early so I can spend this time with you
Oh,
in the
you're
car.
great. Okay, perfect. Got time. You're good.
Yeah. So I just parked and I'm ready.
And you have great hair. I can tell already.
Oh,
You
thank
got
you.
a lot of it. Nice thick hair.
You know what? It used to be super thick. I'm 63 and I try to watch my nutrition and all of that, my lifestyle, but it has thinned so much in the last, I don't know, I lose hair every time I wash my hair, but like the last 10 years,
It has.
it I feel like I've got about half of it left.
Well, you still got 10 times more than I do, so you started off with a good amount at least.
Oh, good. Well, it's good
You
to
look
meet
great.
you. Oh,
It's so nice to meet you too. I'm sorry, I'm a little under the weather, so if I sound
oh,
nasally or I sneeze, don't
oh, I'm
worry. It's
sorry.
okay. It's just a little cold. It's nothing bad. I just feel
Yeah.
bad taking it. At least I can't give you anything over a Zoom call. It's not
Right,
contagious
right.
for
You can
Zoom.
sneeze on me all you want. It won't reach me.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm
Cool.
trying to figure out how to set my phone to where I have my hands free.
Cool.
Huh.
Is there a way to balance it on
That's
the
what I was wondering. Oh, I've got it plugged into to boot. I'm wondering if I should have done this on my computer. I might. It will do our best, but if I'm a mess with this, could I reschedule and use my computer?
Absolutely, of course.
Okay, let's see if that will hold. Yeah,
Okay, stay.
it's tippy, but it's there.
You. That's all that matters.
Yay! Yes, it is. Okay, I'm going to turn my car back on because I'm also charging my phone.
You sound like
Today is
me.
yes, yep. This day. Okay, there we are.
Awesome. And
But
do you have, oh, you have it. Perfect.
I got it. I've
We're in great.
used it once. I've watched the tutorial and I've used it, but I was so uncoordinated with it, and I actually slept in it. I had it on for a few hours and I slept in it, and it still the whole curl didn't hold. So I think I didn't have it tight enough.
Okay. Yep, that
So
would be the case. With your hair type, we'll be fine. It should hold. Oh, there we go.
that may happen again. Oh,
So
sorry.
I'll try to keep it like more tight because I know you have your appointment in like 11 minutes. So
Okay.
the way it'll work, I'll kind of run through prepping your hair very quickly. Um,
Okay.
and then we'll go into wrapping it together. On one side,
Okay.
what I'm thinking, since I read your questionnaire and you mentioned it here, it's about the tightness and the lasting of the curls. You like that spiral
Yes.
curl and they're not really holding. I'm going to give you two different methods. So on one
Okay.
side, we'll do the traditional method. I'll make sure you're doing it like the right way and it feels
Yeah.
better. And then on the other side, I'll give you a different approach, which I use when it's like a high humidity place because my curls will tend to fall out. This helps to make sure
Same.
they last. Okay,
Okay,
cool.
super.
Awesome. So recommend you start with dry hair that you then lightly dampen, ear level down, using like a spray bottle. Do you have one of these? If not, I have another hack with a washcloth.
Oh, thanks. I don't have one of
Okay,
those.
so other, if
Yeah.
you don't have this, recommend getting a washcloth, soaking
Okay.
it, wringing out the washcloth really well, and then just
Okay.
wiping your hair, getting the
Okay.
insides. Sounds weird, but
No,
it's,
I've done that.
you have, okay, good.
Yeah.
Perfect. Wipe your hair. Ear level
Yes.
down
Yeah.
is the refocus, not the whole section, ear level, where you'll be wrapping it more or less.
Okay, and that's one question I've got. I really want lift and body up here.
That's
So I
why,
was, yeah,
yeah. So there's
wondering.
another approach to get lift in body, but we'll go through these two first because I want to make sure you're getting
Okay.
like the curl to hold. Plus, it's the easiest way to do it.
Okay.
The lift in
Good.
body approach is basically doing it backwards. So you're wrapping
Oh,
it this way and you're pulling the hair. up.
Oh.
But it's a different way to do it. The curls don't last as long. It's more of like a blowout look.
Oh, I see. All right.
That's the other way, but we'll go through the traditional way on this one so that you get that. And if you don't get the hair wet on top, it helps to avoid at least like flattening the roots more.
Oh, I see.
That's why I start with dry hair, not hair that's been out of the shower, just like totally dry hair that you lightly dampen ear
I
level down. At least then you're
see.
not adding more flatness to the roots while you're wrapping
Yeah,
hair.
yeah. And I'm jumping the gun.
Yeah, go for it.
But just a thought for maybe mulling around for later. Um, a combining of what we're doing with getting the body, would there be a way? This would be, if I could get not clumsy at it, but
Yeah.
of going like upward with everything.
Yes, there is. You can play with all those different ways for sure. And anytime you're doing that, where you're pulling the hair at the roots and wrapping it around, you get more root lift. So, like another
Yeah.
way is, normally we're doing the headband wrapping it this way, where you're
Yeah.
kind of close to the hairline so it doesn't feel like
Mm,
it's slipping. You
yes.
angle it more this way. And like you said, you're going to be pulling it deeper back. And that'll get you
Okay.
more lift, but it won't feel as secure on your head. That's the one trade-off. So
Okay.
I always
And
walk
that's
people through like the more normal approach so that you can wear it comfortably and securely and you get the use of feel of it. Um,
okay.
but you can always play around, Terry, with things like that, where you just angle it
Great.
more, you're lifting more hair out, you're getting these sections to go deeper towards your part line, wrapping it
Okay.
around, and do the same on the other side.
And you always go front to back. You never go like over.
The only time I go over is when I do it this way. So this is where you're going to flip it. I'll do it real quick to just kind of show you.
Oh,
But
is
you
that the
basically,
body one?
this is the volume one. And that's where
Okay.
you're going over and you're lifting it very high at the baseline, adding another
Yeah.
section and going up this way.
You're so quick at that.
I know.
Oh,
You'll get used to,
wow.
I mean, it's three sections and I missed one. Here we go. Four sections. You can't really mess it up, but you're just doing it that way.
Oh,
Add your scrunchie
wow.
here. If your hair is long, you can always just push it down to get more room to keep wrapping because I see you have a lot of hair. Add your
Okay.
scrunchie, twist the ends together, and it'll set this way, like you're saying, with more lift at the roots.
Okay.
But we'll take it from the top. I'll give you like just the traditional ones. We want to make sure you master like the normal approach first.
Yeah.
I'll give
Yep.
you two tricks on those.
Tips and
My
tips.
brain's a little
Okay.
foggy. Here we
That's
go, hon.
funny. And is it
Okay.
wire forward, right?
Wire is forward. Cool. So I like to start by folding it in half so the ends are even and making that crease in the middle so that when we put it on, the ends remain even. And you have like an equal amount of headband to wrap on both sides. Perfect. Wire is forward. Awesome. And then we're going to take half the hair on one side. Sorry, I should have sectioned
Oh,
your
half of it. Okay. Oh,
half
yes.
the hair. So really, we want section hair. I feel rushed
You're
because we
good.
have 6 minutes.
I knew this. I mean, I should have known this. I already would
No,
know
I'm sorry. Here we go.
because
So
I've watched so half. Okay. I was trying to take more than half
nope, just half the hair.
before.
And we're going to wrap that hair. We're going to create a pigtail on one side. Were you able to do this before? If not, I can help you.
Um,
You are good. You are good.
uh, oh man, I am so sorry.
No, Terry, I say they're 15 minutes long. I sometimes go 30 minutes on these. So it's my
Okay, good.
my bad. Okay.
Three
So to
quarters. Whoops.
but
Ah,
here, Terry, the first step is to make the pigtail on one side, just so that the headband is locked in place. Both hands are free. So you see, I'm making a pigtail.
oh,
Now,
oh,
and
gotcha.
then
The
we
other,
do the
okay.
wrapping on the other side. So to make
Oh,
a
gotcha.
pigtail, are you a righty or a lefty?
Righty.
Okay, left hand is on top then. Left hand on top.
So you'll
Great.
start with the other side. Okay.
And then with the right hand, grab all the hair on that side. Perfect. Pull it towards your face and over the thing, and then use your fingers to kind of pop the end of the headband up. You just want to get the headband, uh,
Like that.
that'll do. And now push the headband backwards. towards the back of the car, the end of the headband. Yep. Now push it around and forwards, and you're just making a pigtail. Good, good. I know it's a little uncomfortable feeling, and if we had more
At
time,
first,
I'll help you with the hand positioning.
okay.
It's easy. But now it's like not moving around. You can use both hands.
My photo wasn't moving around.
Ah, there
Oh,
we
am I on 926? Okay, I'm good.
there you go.
Okay.
Perfect. Awesome. And we have that wire facing forward. Great.
Uh-huh.
Now on the other side, we can grab a front small section. Perfect. And then pull it over and under.
It's kind of tangly, so I'm gonna
No problem. Yeah, brush her out. Oh,
yeah.
there we go. So we got our front section going over. Yep, perfect. Over and under.
Uh,
Fabulous, Terry. Now we're
okay.
going to add another section right underneath the first and combine them.
Like French
Perfect.
braiding.
Like French braiding. Bingo. Bingo. Over and
Uh,
under. You're doing a good job of having each hair wrap touch the last. That's good. It'll help with
oh,
concealing
good.
curls.
Yeah, trying to keep it uptight.
Yep. And then
Okay.
add a third one, another section right underneath. Combine it to that hair we're wrapping. Great. Wrap it over and under.
Whoops. Sorry, I'll catch that in a
It's
second
okay.
after I
As long
finish
as
my
you can
wrap.
kind of see me. Now you're at the ear, Terry. If you
Okay.
Once you're at the ear, grab all the hair and combine it into one section
Okay.
and continue wrapping. This will help the curls start sooner in the back.
Oh, good.
And then while you're doing that, kind of pull the end of the headband towards your jawline. So you're not holding it out here, out away from your face. Yep, I see you did it right. Perfect. And
Okay.
that'll help just like avoid a poof and get those curls started sooner too. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Fabulous.
Okay.
You did a great job here, Terry. And then you just add your scrunchie. Once you get to the end, I'm watching you as best as I can. Don't worry, you're doing great. Don't worry about me. And then
Okay.
you
I
add
can't. Oh,
you add the
look at
scrunchie.
it. There we are.
Here's the scrunchie.
And then I had a little trouble with getting them on. Do I just go like this and then smush them? Oops, sorry.
Yep, you
Or,
just want to go, you
well,
pinch it down, add your scrunchie. I usually try to lock in the hair that's been wrapped, so I care less about, the last piece. If that comes undone, that's fine, because you can always fix that later. One wrap, two wraps, three wraps. You don't need
okay.
it to be like suffocating the hair. It doesn't need to be like a tight ponytail because then it'll just really clamp down on the ends and then it'll create tighter spirally curls inconsistent with the shape of the rest of the curls you made. So it should be about
Oh,
three
should I
wraps.
have should I have brought the hair down closer to the end to make this
Nope.
easy?
Nope,
Okay.
you're good. Just slide her all the way up. She's extra stretchy, so you should be able to get her all the way around once, twice. If you have to bend the end a little bit to get her around, that's fine too.
Okay, I did that the last time. I actually like doubled that to that I
Oh
didn't
yeah,
get.
you can always do that. Yep, no problem. And then what you can do, Terry, is you can twist the headband away from your face, and that'll tighten it a little bit. So, like kind of like like I have a bottle, like I twist it this way, twist it that way to open and close it. It's the same thing
Yeah.
here. You could twist it towards your face. It's going to
Oh,
tighten the curl
way.
that way. Yep, bingo. And then
Awesome.
it'll tighten the curls as well. If you want looser curls, twist the other way. It's going to loosen it.
Okay. This is
So
amazing.
that's approach. This is like the standard approach. Repeat on the other side. And then just you can do the headband look by twisting the ends together.
Yeah, that's what I did and I slept in it and it was good. It was fine.
Perfect. I can help you with it's 12:30 now. I want to do a time check. We can totally reschedule. I just want to make sure you're okay for the hair
Okay.
appointment.
Yeah, I have a 9:30, so 12:30 appointment now. So I've got to go in now.
Perfect.
Um,
We reschedule because the other one, I'll tell you quickly how it works. And I'll send you
okay.
a video recording of this so you at least have that. But you take
Okay.
one section, wrap it once, wrap it twice, wrap it maybe a third time or around,
Okay,
and then add another section to it.
that makes sense because
And
it's the
then,
longer side.
yeah, and the curls are going to be set much more spiral classic shape. And they're going to hold much longer. You're basically doing the same approach. Once you get to the ear, I recommend again just grabbing all the hair. Don't keep doing bit by bit, hairpin
Okay,
to the ear. But this is going to create much, much longer lasting curls. Um, and the very last tip is, make sure your hair is 100% dry before you take it out. When you take it out, twist it the other way to loosen it out, and it'll
okay,
slide out real quick. And then once the hair is out, my hair is not curled right now, but you can take little sections and do little finger curls to create however many curls you want. And that'll give you that classic spiral curl look. And you can make like a whole head of them or five of them, whatever you like. So you don't have to be just stuck with the curls that come out. You can just redefine them with a little twist with your finger, and boom, you're good to go. But
cool.
sign up for another one of these if you like. I'll send
But
you this recording. No worries.
okay,
And enjoy
thank
your hair appointment.
you. I'll do better next time.
No, you're fine. Are you
I
kidding me?
just, I forgot about this appointment
Oh,
when
I
I
appreciate you
scheduled.
joining. No, you're so good, honey. You're busy. I appreciate it. You're good. Don't even worry about it. I'm glad you joined it all.
Thank you. Me too. And you get well.
Thank you. Thank you. And I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. And I hope to see you again soon, Terry.
Thank you. So do I just do the same, make an appointment the same way as I
Yep.
did?
Yep. Just
Okay,
sign up
awesome.
online. Yep. On our website, RobeCurls.com, and you can sign up there, no problem.
Okay, wonderful.
Thanks,
I
Terry.
will do. Thank you. Have a good
You
day.
too, honey. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.